Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the string split function of SQL Server. This function is really useful when you want to break up a long string of text which has delimiters such as a comma, pipe symbol, or even a space. Are you ready to add another tool to your SQL toolkit? So we're going to say select value. Value is a reserved word in this case, from string split. And then we're going to give our pattern. So we can say like 1, 2, 3, and 4. And notice that the pipe symbol is our separator. So we have to say this is separated by the pipe symbol. And then we'll execute that. And notice that we get 1, 2, 3, 4 for value. Our second one is I want to get a count of the number of elements that is inside of the string split. So how would we do that? Select the count as num items. Then we can take the same pattern. Let's execute this. We should get 4 here. We got 4. And now we're going to start learning how to actually cherry pick one of the indexes and just return one of the columns. So we can say select a value from, we can use this same command, and then we're going to say order by. And then normally we give a column, but we're going to say here, we're going to say select null. I don't want to use any columns. I just have to use the order by clause. And then we're going to say offset 2 rows, fetch next 1 row only. I think you get it. Now it's starting to get kind of fun what we're going to do. We're actually going to be using a CTE. So we're going to say like with CTE, you can call this whatever you want, as, and then we're going to say select value, and then we're going to use row number, and you have to use the over clause, and then we're going to say order by, and you just learn the select null, and then we're going to call that whole line as call ID. And then we can begin our pattern. So we can say from string split, and we'll say Jan, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and then December. Now, what is our separator character here? Well, it is the comma. Now, once we build our first part of this right here, then it kind of like just gets easy. We're now having to deal with our select statement. And now this CTE looks like it's my data. So I can say select a value from CTE where this call index equals the column I want. So call ID equals, so this would be 1, this would be 12. And let's just go for 3, see what we get. So we should get March, and there you have it. Cool. And now we're just going to change it up a little bit. What if I wanted to get March and October? How could I get that out of this list? Well, let's see this right here. We'll copy that down in 310, and that should return us March and October. March, October. Over here we can say where that is equal to. Now my goal is I want to make a number. This would be 1, 2, and this would be 12. So what we can say is get the month of get date, and whatever today's date is, let's see what we got going on here. Select get date. So notice it's telling me that it is March the 16th. And so this right here is going to get me 3. So that should print out March. And there you have it, team, the string split command. And that's all I have, team. You now have the string split function, a function that has been around since version 16 in your SQL toolkit. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave them below. I hope to see you again. Until then, take care.